Welcome to Introductory Statistics using SPSS, Module 9, Paired t-Test, Test Run and Interpretation. You'll remember that the t-test involves two groups, a control group and a treatment group. The means for each group are compared to determine if there's a statistically significant difference between the groups as indicated by the p-level. The paired t-test uses only one group, wherein each participant is given a pretest. These scores will serve as the baseline. Next, a treatment will be administered, followed by a post-test. The scores from the pretest are compared to the corresponding scores from the post-test. The paired t-test tells us if there's a statistically significant difference between the performance on the pretest compared to the post-test. Let's look at it another way. The t-test uses two groups, a control group, which produces a mean, and a treatment group, which produces another mean. The t-test compares the mean from group 1 to the mean from group 2. If the p-value is less than 0.05, then we say there's a statistically significant difference between the two groups. For the paired t-test, there's only one group. We begin by administering the pretest to establish a baseline score for each participant. After the treatment is given, we administer the post-test. The paired t-test is designed to detect the effectiveness of the treatment by comparing the pretest score to the post-test score. If the paired t-test reveals a statistically significant difference between the pretest and the post-test, this change suggests that the treatment was effective. Let's go into SPSS and see how this works. To process a paired t-test, click on Analyze, Compare Means, Paired Samples t-Test. Put pretest into variable 1 and post-test into variable 2. Click OK and it'll process. The paired sample statistic table provides descriptive statistics for each group, specifically a mean of 36.4 for pretest and 40.1 for post-test. The paired samples table shows a significance, or p-value, of 0.03. Since the p-value of 0.03 is less than the alpha level of 0.05, this suggests that there is a statistically significant difference between the pretest and the post-test scores. This concludes this module.